Oh, courtesy of jerseys over there. Check those out. Okay, go back. I'm sorry if my Asian accent is too thick. You know.
Slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate. I want a chick with deep hips and lips to lips. She can be the whole.
749.